Guys, so I just wanted to do a bit of a DORA impression, but it's gonna have to feature me, Meow, on how much I hate her. She recently joined the GOT community, and I hate it. I just saw the TikTok on another user's YouTube account, and I am pissed off right now. I'll explain. So, apparently one used Jelly Bean. 2 had Technoblade in it. And Mew Meow apparently kissed Jelly Bean. Not Jelly Bean. Technoblade in it. We all know who Technoblade is for a good enough reason. But here's my DORA impression now. Hola, soy DORA. Can you say I hate Meowbah? I suck at literally Spanish and literally English, which is kind of surprising. Okay, bye everyone.